what's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be doing a cooking outside video. Now I already have a lot of stuff I want to come to you guys with, but before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and why not? So right now we're just gonna get right into the cooking video. Of course, the first thing on the agenda will be cooking the potatoes, but I will be doing it from scratch. So I will be cutting the potatoes first and then soaking it in water and cleaning them. So you guys will be seeing that, so just stay tuned. Okay, so after you get your potatoes, you soak them, put them in water and everything. You take one, you slice it in half. Ohio potatoes today, okay? So nothing special, nothing new, but that's what I'm doing. All I'm gonna do is just cut them up and then go ahead and start cooking my sausage. And if you guys didn't know, we are doing something very nice. We cooking fries and sausages. A little toasted bread on the side. We're gonna finish cutting these up and come back to you guys when I start cooking the sausage, because I want to let this sit and marinate into the water. Okay, as the pan is heating up, I actually have the Tennessee Pride mild sausages. I got these sausages from Walmart, and then I'm gonna just use my butter flavor. I'm gonna do the bread because, yeah, it's just more quicker. Because I want to steam them, so yeah. Disclaimer though, I recorded this video and it got deleted because my phone had messed up, and now I have to re-record most of the videos that I already recorded. So yeah, if this video don't get out to y'all tomorrow, which is Saturday, but you guys don't know that this video may or may not be posted tomorrow. It's actually the 19th of March, so I be wanting to post every week. So I don't think I can be able to post every week this week because all my videos got deleted and I had to restart my phone or whatever, and most of the videos came back, most of them didn't. So just stay tuned. I hope you guys having a great day, because me, I'm just sitting here just re-recording videos. So yeah, I had a whole agenda and now I gotta reset. But anyways, we're gonna get back into this cooking video. Let me stop jibby jabbing, okay? Oh my god, so I just found some oil because I was looking for oil and I was like, damn, I can't even use oil because I can't find it. So I was gonna steam the potatoes. What I'm gonna do is actually show you guys how to steam them and fry them, because I did say that in this video, so why not? That's what just happened. I already have my bread toasted and everything, so start on the sausages. So I'm gonna come right back. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason. You guys can see as it start cooking, you can start breaking it down. But if you don't want to break it down, you do not have to. Depends on how you like your food, okay? So I just want to go ahead and break this down, and that's it. I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, and as it cooks, you make sure it's moving, move in, or it's gonna burn, okay? That's how you're supposed to cook. You don't have it sitting in one spot. I'm going ahead and keep breaking it down, as you can see. Now, as you can see, we're getting somewhere. Now, make sure your meat is not pink, of course. As you can see, it's not pink. And if it's pink, you could get sick like that. So make sure you thoroughly cook your meat, okay? Now listen to that meat purr now. Okay, so now that the meat is done, I can go ahead and just put it on a plate for another video, because that's gonna make this video too long. And I don't know what you guys want. You guys barely comment under the video. So comment down below if you guys want to know how to steam potatoes. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you guys that video. Half of these potatoes to actually, you know, fry, and then the other half I'm going to steam for the other video I'm going to do. But yeah, just stay tuned. So what you want to do is add the oil. You want to step back because it might pop. So as the oil is cooking, you wait and then just add your potatoes. But this is what we got so far, and I'm gonna add the french fries. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to check if the oil is ready. So make sure you stand it back because yeah, just pop a little water. You see the little water in the tap? You see that? That means it's ready, okay? Okay, you guys, now just a couple, okay? There you go. Now you let them sit until you see it. I mean, the way you could check potatoes is actually if it's not raw anymore. Like, you can actually just poke it and see. You can tell. I don't know how to explain how to.
Wow, I thought that was a fairy. Oh my god.
You can tell. You just be moving it around every like couple of 3 minutes. So maybe you guys can do that, and then it'll be cooked. Make sure you checking it though. Now, as those are cooking, I'm actually just gonna, after they finish cooking, I'm actually just put them on a plate and come back and show you guys the mukbang and tell you guys how it came out. I actually did this video already before. It just got deleted. I told you guys that already. But yeah, I'm gonna be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually done. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is the finished plate. Okay, you guys, so what we got is some sausage, french fries, and bread, and agua, of course, water in Spanish. I'm trying to keep up with my Spanish teacher. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about this agenda thing of how I wanted to do my videos. Was actually, I had like 8 videos already, so each week I would post 1 video, and once them 8 was up, I was gonna post like more videos, like twice a week now, but can't do that because I gotta re-record it. But basically it's like different sections of videos I'm gonna be doing: hair videos, music videos, just playing around, cooking videos, DIYs, hacks and stuff like that. I don't know, whatever comes to my mind, I'm gonna make a like, it's gonna be in my playlist section, so if you guys see it, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That's all the things I'm going to be doing on my YouTube video. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. We got our ketchup, of course. So that's basically what I'm doing for my channel. That's what my little schedule was, but don't set me back because I don't have none of the videos. Now I gotta re-record it. Anyway, so I just be coming up with stuff. It's just me. And I don't have nobody to talk to like friends, because most of my friends just stopped talking to me. Like, about little stuff. Like, I didn't come to a birthday party and they know why I couldn't go because my grandparents said the corona or whatever. But it just be little stuff like, maybe you wasn't really a friend if you just up and leave that quick. So that's just that. I don't have people to talk to for real. And then the people I want to talk to, they just, it feel like they listen sometimes, but then sometimes they really don't care, in my opinion. Okay, but yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I finished my food, ran out of fries, and I don't want to eat the meat by itself. Whoever listening to me, whoever enjoying my videos, it don't have to be a lot of people, because I'm just going to show you guys my journey and what I like to do, and show you maybe teach you guys something. I don't know. Whatever you like to do. And comment down below if you guys have some suggestions on videos I could do, because I don't have anything else to do. So yeah, and I will do them. So that's the end of this video, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. So I'm gonna just go. Boom.